3-48 asks you to do some comparisons using algebra tiles on a comparison mat. When it's on paper like this, you can see that when it's colored in, it's positive, and when it is open, it is negative. I've already drawn left and right, and on the left-hand side, what we have here is -4 unit tiles plus 1, and we're subtracting a -1 plus 2. So I've written that down. On the right-hand side, we have -3 unit tiles, and we're subtracting 4 unit tiles. I think what I'll do first is get rid of some zeros. We can take that out, and we can take that out. So now what I have is just -3 minus, when I remove that, I just have a 1. Then I'm going to flip, and this tile will come up and become negative. So what I have is -3 and a -1, and that simplifies to a -4. On the right hand side, I just need to take all of these and flip them so they become the negatives they need to be, and I have -3 and a -4. That, when I combine those together, I have a -7, which is less than -4. Let's take a look at B. On the left-hand side, we have -3 and a +1, and we are subtracting 1, 2, 3 unit tiles and a +x and a -x. On the right-hand side, we have x plus 2 minus 1, and we are subtracting x plus 2. All right, what should we do first? I think let's get rid of some of these zeros. So now I have -2, and I'm subtracting 3. On the right-hand side, I have a 0 here, and so now I have x plus 1, and I'm still subtracting x plus 2. All right, now it's time to flip. I'm going to take these 3 unit tiles and flip them up. They become negative, and what I have is -2 minus 3. When I add those together, we have -5. On the other side, I'm going to take these and flip them up. This becomes a -x. These become -2. So what I have is x plus 1. This is now a -x, and this is now a -2. This x and this -x make a 0. So I'm going to take that out. And one of these negatives and this positive also makes a 0. So all I'm left with is -1, which is greater than -5.